This awesome water too. Oh, wow, nice fish. Not as big as mine though, but
Nice and big though, but I'll take them any day, huh?
oh yeah. I'm just playing. I'm just playing.
I'm aware of it. I love it. I love getting teeth like that with a fish on the end of my line. How can I feel bad no matter what you say? Huh?
Yep.
Alex, you gotta walk back to Hawaii. Oh, no problem.
Oh boy, look at that. Awesome. Woohoo! Easy, baby. Awesome. Hallelujah. Yeah. What is there not to love about this game, huh?
The fly fish is out 4 years old.
No kidding. I'm training my grandson. He's 5.5. He can barely cast, but he's already got the bug in the ear that I want him to learn. Oh, look at that, baby. Oh, yeah, baby. Woohoo! Ha ha! Just take your time. When he's ready, he'll come. Oh, yeah. That guy's good. 7, 7, 8 maybe. If you can, what works too is grab the lower lip because there's no teeth, yeah? You know, like a bass, like how you do a bass. Yeah. Oh. That is awesome.